If you're in product innovation, you've probably seen this a lot. The war room covered in sticky notes, the endless hours of customer interviews, the months of analysis, all to figure out one simple thing. What do customers really want? This process, the heart of jobs to be done, is incredibly valuable. But let's be honest, it's slow. And what if I told you this entire picture is now obsolete? What if you could understand an entire market in all of its complexity, not in months, but in minutes? What if you could do it without ever talking to a single customer? Stick with me because we're about to explore how AI is completely redefining the rules of innovation. For years, two major problems have put a speed limit on our innovation efforts. The first is the context trap. We get really good at studying a specific narrow job. We ask, how can we make a better drill? When we should be asking, why does someone need a hole in the first place? We end up perfecting a tool, but we never question the task itself. The second problem is the time trap. The traditional process of interviews and surveys is just too slow for today's market. You spend months gathering and analyzing data, and you end up with a perfect, static snapshot of a market that existed 6 months ago. You're trying to drive a car by only looking in the rearview mirror. Now, this is where everything changes. New AI tools are creating a paradigm shift, and I'm not talking about chatbots. I'm talking about a specialized new engine for innovation. We already know that advancements in AI and machine learning are being leveraged to analyze vast amounts of customer data to uncover insights and generate new ideas. These agents can read and understand millions of data points, every product review, every forum post, every technical paper, entire LLMs, and from that, they can build a complete customer value model automatically. The full job map, a complete set of desired outcomes, situational factors, financial metrics, everything. And they can do it without a single interview. But a static map, even one built in minutes, isn't the real revolution. The real revolution is putting that map in motion. We can now run live market simulations. We escape the point-in-time trap because we can see how the market reacts to change. We can finally model the true complexity of a living market. We can ask it strategic questions. What happens if a new competitor enters the market? What new customer needs become important if this new technology gets cheaper? We can predict the future instead of just analyzing the past. This completely flips the script for innovation teams. Your job is no longer to spend 90% of your time painstakingly gathering data. AI does that for you. Your new job, your higher value job, is to be a strategist. You use your uniquely human intelligence to ask the AI the right questions, to interpret the insights, and to make the big creative leaps that no machine can. So what does this actually look like? Let's take the job of constructing a house. The traditional approach might find ways to make a better hammer, but the AI simulation looks at the entire system and tells you the biggest unmet needs are the cost and chaos of managing 20 different specialists. That is the insight that matters. And that insight is what allows your team to develop a truly disruptive business model, a platform that takes a customer's design and uses robotics to build it. This isn't just a new product. It's an entirely new way to get the job done, one that's cheaper, faster, and has fewer visible features for the user to worry about. It's an idea you would never find if you were just trying to improve the old tools. So, the future of innovation is here. It's a new playbook. Frame the big strategic job. Let the AI build the model and run the simulations. And then focus your human creativity on strategy. Your most valuable resource is no longer research time. It's your team's creative and strategic thinking. Now, this was a massive topic, and I've created a comprehensive 5,000 to 7,000 word article on my Substack that details this entire AI-powered methodology. If you're ready for the deep dive, the link is waiting for you in the description below or in the first comment. Thanks for watching. If this sparked some ideas, hit that subscribe button below. I've got some more really cool articles and blog posts coming in the future on how you can apply jobs to be done to truly transform your innovation capabilities. You won't want to miss any of them.